My name's Davidson. I work with the Development Associates and Joe Marchese, Marchese Construction, built this building for us about a year ago. We moved the tenant in about a year ago. We developed this 10-acre site to have 7 office building pads. This is the first of 7. It took about 5 to 6 months of construction time, and Joe did a great job of helping us work with the architect, Coleman, to design a very efficient and cost-effective building for the end user, who's Dr. Brian Boudreau, the local dentist here in town. And we went through a variety of steps during the design to make sure that we produced a high-quality building at a fair cost. And we ended up going with an all-brick exterior with structural steel skeleton, and we moved forward with the spray foam insulation on all the inside of all the exterior walls and under the roof deck, as well as we went with the ductless Davidson HVAC system, which should prove to generate some significant savings through the course of the life of the building. We also did vertical bore geothermal heat exchange loops in conjunction with the ductless Davidson HVAC system. There's a variety of LEED type features to not pursue LEED certification because of the time constraints we had from the time we started the project to the time Dr. Boudreau wanted to occupy the building. But things like low VOC paints, the geothermal HVAC system, the spray foam insulation, low volume flush toilets, as well as on-site construction materials recycling, and a few other things as well. Joe did a great job of, as I said, working with the architect to make sure that anytime we had design issues, we weren't quite sure which way to go or which direction to take, Joe would help us make the right decision. He did a great job of managing the construction site throughout the course of the construction timeline, and they did a great job and finished up on time and on budget. Thank you. Okay. And in closing, we would definitely hire Marchese Construction for future jobs, as they did a great job, and we would highly recommend them to other clients.